guys! So it's been a while since I talked to you guys directly. I'm sure you've missed me because I've missed you guys a lot. So today I have for you a very special idea. This is a Valentine's Day idea. I want to do for you guys an entree, a main meal, and a dessert. So today I made the entree, which is something very simple that even a boy or a girl can do it. Just a hint from my husband as well, you know. So I really hope that you guys try this because it's very simple, it's easy, it's delicious. Even the guys can do it. You can surprise your girl on the day. Girls, you can surprise your guys. It's gonna be very good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up and comment what you would like me to do next. First off, we are going to put garlic paste to our both prawns. I bought literally 5 prawns and left the tail on. This one is just for decoration. The other is completely clean and that's 600 grams. You must be wondering why they are different. Well, one is completely frozen and the other is fresh. Put some lemon juice to both, salt and pepper to taste. It depends on you how much you want to add. Give it a thorough mix to make sure every prawn is seasoned properly. Get a frying pan and add some olive oil. Get the pan nice and hot. Then we are going to fry our decoration prawns. Hear that sound? It's heaven to the ears. You can already tell the prawns will be delicious. But of course, it doesn't mean that if you don't have the sizzle, it won't be amazing. Either way, it will turn out. Make sure before you flip it over, there is a nice color to the prawn. Make sure you stay there because prawns cook very quickly. Mine are done, so I'm going to place them in a paper towel to remove all of the excess oil. So as you guys can see, there is these things here and they're very delicious, but we don't want our sauce to be dark, so you do have to clean this.
What?
So now measure around 60 grams of butter. Take your whisk if you have one, if not it's fine. Put your butter in the pan and mix until melted, just to prevent burning. So we have to let our butter melt very slowly because if we put it on a high heat, then we're just gonna get brown butter. We don't want it brown. So while the butter is melting, I am going to fry my prawns in another separate pan. Olive oil in the pan, get it nice and hot and add your other prawns. Let them cook. If you're using frozen like me, make sure that your prawns soak up the water completely. Now to our butter we are going to add, wait, I didn't tell you about the cornstarch, which will weigh to around 5 grams. So add it all in and give it a mix, letting it cook for like 2 minutes. Get your mayonnaise, which we will weigh to 15 grams, and we add it to our butter. Give it a quick mix. Add half a teaspoon of garlic paste. You can use fresh if you want. Mix everything very well. And lastly, you add your salt and pepper, obviously to taste. I added 1 teaspoon of sugar just so that we have that bit of sweetness to the dish. If you want, you can put a bit of chili. I am going to, of course. Add your cooked prawns to the butter mixture. Next, get as much feta cheese as you want, cut into pieces and put all at the top of the dish. Looks good already. Mix everything well and put it aside. Okay, so now we're going to be making something that is very simple, and that is bread. Cut your baguette into nice thick slices. You can use all if you would like. In our pan, we are gonna melt some butter, add salt, pepper and garlic powder. Add your bread slices in and let them absorb the butter. Once done, flip it over and leave it to cook. Now, let's serve it. So obviously this is how I am plating my dish, but you are free to do as you like. Feta cheese on top. This recipe doesn't follow a proper ingredient list. I'm just giving a guide, but it is all up to you. You want more butter? Go for it. Do you want less garlic? Cool, that's alright. You can even use whole pepper or whatever ingredient you would like to. Be creative. This is obviously your dish. In my case, I am taking some lemon slices to decorate my dish and give it some color. So guys, this is all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a like, and you can let me know in the comments below how it turned out. Until next time.